नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. Today topic is ammonium carb medicine part 2. Urine symptom, frequent desire and involuntary at night, thinnesness of bladder, urine white, sandy, bloody, copious, turbid and fetid character. Male symptom, itching and pain of scrotum and spermatic cords, erection without desire, seminal emissions. Female symptom, itching, swelling and burning of pudendum, leukorrhea, burning, acrid, watery, aversion to the other sex, menses too frequent, profuse, early, copious, bloated, black, colicky pain and hard, difficult stool with fatigue, especially of thighs, yawning and chilliness. Respiratory symptom, hoarseness, cough every morning about 3 o'clock with dyspnea, palpitation, burning in chest, worse, ascending, chest feel tired, emphysema, much oppression in breathing, worse after any effort and entering warm room or ascending even a few steps. Sthenic pneumonia, slow labored, stertorous breathing, bubbling sound, winter cataract with slimy sputum and specks of blood, pulmonary edema, heart, audible palpitation with fear, cold sweat, lacrimation, inability to speak, loud breathing and trembling hands, heart weak, wakes with difficult breathing and palpitation, extremities, tearing in joints linked by heat of bed, inclination to stretch limbs, hands cold and blue, distended veins, fingers swell when arm is hanging down, penetratium, deep-seated periosteal pain, cramps in calves and sole, big toe painful and swollen, phalanx in the beginning, heel pain on standing, tearing in ankle and bone of feet, better when warm in a bed, sleepiness during the day, start from sleep strangling, skin, violent itching and burning blisters, scarlet rash, biliary rash, malignant scarlatina, faintly developed eruptions from defective vitality, erysipelas in the aged with brain symptoms, eczema in the banks of extremities between legs about anus and genitals, modalities worse in evening from cold, wet weather, wet applications, washing and during 3 to 4 a.m. during menses, better by lying on painful side and on stomach in dry weather. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.